Welcome student. Now we are going to discuss about the quantum yield or efficiency of a photochemical reaction and its measurement. Means photochemical reaction जो होती है वो photochemical reaction का quantum yield क्या होता है, उसको दूसरा नाम है efficiency. क्वांटम यील्ड या इफिशियंसी क्या होती है वो अपने को पहले देखना है. लेटर ऑन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ दैट क्वांटम यील्ड इज मेजर्ड, दैट इज मेजरमेंट ऑफ क्वांटम यील्ड. फर्स्ट वी मस्ट नो व्हाट इज मीन बाय क्वांटम यील्ड और इफिशियंसी. दिस क्वांटम यील्ड और इफिशियंसी इज डिनोटेड बाय लेटर phi. How it is denoted? It is represented or denoted by letter phi. Phi means a efficiency or a quantum yield of a photochemical reaction. Now previously we know that what happens in photochemical reaction. In photochemical reaction, reactants are there. Light from particular wavelength UV visible region is allowed to fall on that reactant. That light get absorbed. The absorbed light is responsible for a chemical reaction. Such reactions are photochemical reaction. Later on, you know, this light absorbed is only responsible to carry a chemical reaction. Okay. Further, you know Groth's law, Draper's law. Again you know Stark-Einstein's law. Okay, now after this quantum yield is there. This quantum yield or efficiency of a photochemical reaction can be defined as the number of molecules reacting per quantum of energy absorbed. Are you getting? समझ में आया? मतलब इसका स्टेटमेंट क्या है, डेफिनेशन क्या है क्वांटम यील्ड की? नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स रिएक्टिंग, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स reacting per quantum of energy absorbed. Reacting per quantum of energy absorbed. Energy absorbed. Number of molecules reacting per quantum of energy absorbed. मतलब जब फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन में एक डेफिनेट टाइम के लिए जब यूवी विजिबल रेडिएशन इंसिडेंट होंगे, एक डेफिनेट टाइम के लिए, टाइम इज डेफिनेट, फॉर दैट डेफिनेट टाइम व्हेन लाइट इज इंसिडेंट on that reacting material, later on the light get absorbed by that reacting material and carry a photochemical reaction. But due to absorption of quantum, per quantum means single quanta, means the number of molecules reacting per quantum of energy absorbed is called as a efficiency or a quantum yield of that photochemical reaction. और इसको और अपन अलग तरीके से भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स वी मे टेक मोल्स. इंस्टेड ऑफ क्वांटम you have to take Einstein. Means the number of moles reacting per, instead of quantum you have to use Einstein. of energy absorbed. Energy absorbed is called as quantum yield. Mathematically, it is the ratio of number of molecules reacting in definite time to the number of quantas absorbed in the same time. That is, phi is equals to number of molecules reacting in given time. ये भी वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं अपन, गिवन टाइम, बिकॉज यू नो दिस लाइट इज अलाउड टू फॉल फॉर पर्टिकुलर पीरियड, दैट इज फॉर 1 मिनट, फॉर 2 मिनट, फॉर 3 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 6 मिनट, जो भी टाइम होगा दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम, वो टाइम में नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स रिएक्ट एंड द नंबर ऑफ क्वांटाज एब्सॉर्ब, number of quantas absorbed in given time. Given time समझ में आया? Now given time means for particular time for which the light is allowed to fall on the reacting material which undergo in a photochemical reaction. Or from this we may write phi also. Phi is equals to number of moles instead of molecules, moles, number of moles reacting in given time, reacting in given time to the डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आएगा, नंबर ऑफ Einstein's absorbed in given time. This is nothing but a quantum yield, that is phi, that is efficiency of a photochemical reaction. Now after this means after knowing what is actually phi, means अपने समझ में आ गया कि phi that is quantum efficiency और quantum yield मतलब क्या है, ये समझ में आने के बाद में अपने को नेक्स्ट स्टेप की तरफ जाना है, दैट इज मेजरमेंट ऑफ phi. अभी phi कैसा मेजर करना, मेजरमेंट ऑफ phi. There is experimental procedure for the measurement of quantum yield, that is efficiency. Now that method is clear from this formula or from this formula. If you have to find out or you have to measure this quantum yield, that is efficiency, then in order to know this you must know these two things. Then and then after measuring the number of moles reacting in given time and number of Einsteins absorbed in the same time, that is given time, after knowing these two, take a ratio of these two, you are able to find out the value of phi. But how number of moles reacting in given time is measured, number of Einsteins absorbed in the given time is measured, that is measurement of phi. That is first point, that is A point. First of all we are going to see how number of moles reacting in given time can be determined. Means पहला point A point है, determination of number of moles, number of moles reacting in given time. In given time, you know given time means which time, the time for which the UV visible radiations are allowed to fall on our reacting material, that time, particular time is given time. Now this determination of number of moles is quite easy. You know this is measured by simple analytical method from chemical kinetics. How? Because for any reaction you are able to find out the concentration of the reactants before reaction. Okay, now again after carrying reaction, when reaction is complete, then you are able to find out the concentration of the reactant after reaction. Okay, means you know the concentration, that is the concentration of the reactant before reaction and after reaction. If you know these two, take a difference between these two. Difference between these two means the number of moles reacting. कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स दिए थे, कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स बचे हुए हैं, दोनों में का डिफरेंस लेंगे, मतलब बीच में के जो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स जो डिफरेंस मिलेगा, दैट डिफरेंस is nothing but the number of moles reacting in a given time. That's why how the number of moles reacting in given time is measured by simple analytical method used in the chemical kinetics. That is by knowing the number of moles reacting in before the reaction, that is by knowing the concentration of the reactant before reaction and after reaction, and taking a difference of this. By knowing these two and taking a difference of this, we know the number of moles reacting in given time. समझ में आया? Now second point, that is B point, measurement of number of Einsteins absorbed in the given time.